Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Digibyte using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open your Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section, which is in the bottom left corner. And here on the top of the screen you will see the receive button. And if you tap on the receive button, it's going to open up the crypto list, and you can type in your crypto or you can scroll down, and the Digibyte crypto is here near the top. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find it. Then tap on it and it's going to open up the QR code, and using this QR code you can send Digicoin to your Trust Wallet, or you can send this QR code to anyone that you want to receive Digicoin. And there is another cool feature, the set amount feature. And if you type in here an amount of Digicoin, you can send this new QR code and new address and receive the exact amount. So this is a very good way for transactions or purchases. And you can also share your QR code by tapping on the share icon, and you can share it on social media or other platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.